The Tubanu replacement nozzle system lets you keep using caulk tubes that would otherwise be tossed because their tips clog or harden. Tubanu works by creating a fresh, tapered outlet that fits into the factory neck of most squeeze tubes so you can restore flow without transferring material. To use it, cut off the old hardened tip flush with the tube neck, then press the Tubanu nozzle firmly into the softened plastic rim until it seats fully, ensuring the tapered profile lines up with the tube opening. For a reliable seal, wrap a single layer of quality painter tape around the joint where the nozzle meets the tube neck to stop slow leaks during angled or overhead work. After applying the caulk, wipe the nozzle clean and replace the snug cap that comes with the Tubanu to slow skinning between uses. If you will not use the tube for more than a day, push the nozzle slightly back into the tube and tape again for extra protection. Tubanu nozzles are reusable across multiple tubes of the same neck diameter, so you can swap them when changing materials or tube sizes, and their tapered exit reduces lumping and gives a predictable bead control for detailed work. If a nozzle starts to clog, remove it, run warm water through it, or use a small wire to clear the passage before reinstalling to avoid contaminating the tube contents. A common issue is not cutting the old tip squarely, which prevents the nozzle from seating and causes leaks, so use a sharp utility knife and make a clean, perpendicular cut. Another frequent mistake is skipping the tape or cap, which lets air in and skins the remaining caulk. So always tape the joint and replace the cap between uses or store upright with the nozzle down. People also sometimes leave the same nozzle on incompatible tube necks, which strains the seal and can tear the tube. So check fit before applying force and swap to a properly sized Tubanu nozzle rather than forcing one that does not match. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows rated listings and community feedback that helps people decide which provider to contact. We host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips on tools and fixes, and we help contractors list their services to find steady work.